Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the beater on a Kitchenaid stand mixer. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have the beater down here. This is the paddle, and I'm going to show you exactly how to remove it. So obviously when you're using it, the bowl is going to be raised, and please take into account the fact that this is a little bit of an older model. I believe my mother-in-law said she got this about 15 years ago, give or take. So it might be slightly different, but the process is going to be the same. A lot of the modern ones have a tilting head instead of the bowl raising or lowering. But it's going to be a very similar process, okay? So I'm going to lower the bowl just like that, but in your case, you might have to tilt the head up. Either way, you want to separate the head from the bowl and get a little bit of space. And obviously make sure that it is unplugged. Now, if you take a look right here, you can see that the beater is held in place by two things. Number one, a spring is pressing against it. The spring is right there. And number two, there's a notch right there. So what you need to do to remove it is very simple. You want to push up against the spring and twist it out of place. So I'm going to push up against the spring, and then as you can see, I'm twisting towards my left like that, and then drop it down just like that. And as you can see, I then removed the beater. It's literally that simple. If you want to put it back in, you just line up that little notch with the peg that's sticking out there. Okay, so you line it up like this, and then you push up against the spring and then twist towards my right now. And then once it locks in place, you release it just like that. That's it. That is how to remove the beater. And as an added bonus, I showed you how to put it in place as well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.